નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી welcomes you all here. Dear student friends, our topic transformation of sentences. This is from lesson number 14 and 15. Both are having the same structure, the same idea. Lesson number 14 and 15. Both are transformation of sentences, nothing else. In this transformation of sentences, we have completed with so many examples affirmative sentence to negative sentence. How we will convert affirmative to negative, negative to affirmative, that we have completed. Today one more variety I want to give you, and that variety is whenever you are having positive degree sentence, you will convert that positive degree sentence into comparative degree sentence, or if you are having comparative degree sentence, you will convert it into positive degree sentence. You will feel our title is affirmative sentence to negative sentence and negative sentence to affirmative sentence. Then why we are thinking here for the degree? This can be a question in your mind. Keep it in your mind in 10th standard also, in 12th standard also, especially in do as directed. You will utilize your intellect in a right way. What is given? Positive degree sentence, and then afterwards it will be told to you, convert it into affirmative or convert it into negative. It will not be told to you, change the degree. Change the degree will not be instruction. Instruction would be this one. But if you will think in a different way, this is correct also. Why is it so? Because when we are having only two comparative aspects, we can move from PD to CD, CD to PD. This thing we have already completed, and at the time we will go first of all negation according to given tense, and then afterwards we will change the place of comparative aspect. What is given on number 1 and what is given on number 2. Number 2 will come to number 1, number 1 will come to number 2. This thing we have already completed. Once again, what is given on number 1, what is given number 2, we will convert the place of number 1 to number 2 and number 2 to number 1, plus opposite sense of the sentence. Whether it is given positive, we will convert to negative. If given is negative, we will convert to positive. But this thing would be always according to given tense. This thing you will keep it in your mind. In this way, the instruction is affirmative to negative, but you will convert here from positive degree to comparative degree, and from comparative degree to positive degree. This thing you will keep it in your mind forever, forever, forever. How it is possible, that we will come to know after these two sentences. See here, I have given one example. What is the example? Dave sir does not give more marks in his subject than Shivram sir. You see here, if you will think here, for this sentence, given sentence is in negative sense. Apart from that, Dave sir is equal to number 1. Shivram sir is equal to number 2. It means our comparative aspect is equal to Dave sir. Our another comparative aspect is equal to Shivram sir. Given sense is negative, so that the instruction would be make it affirmative. It means we have to convert given sentence into positive sense. For that, what we will do? Shivram sir, who is on the second place, second comparative aspect, will come on the first place. Next to that, opposite sense of given sentence. Given sense is negative sense. We will convert that sense into positive sense. But it should be according to given tense. So that does not give will be converted into gives. In this way, Shivram sir gives as many marks as Dave sir. Dave sir is first comparative aspect in the sentence. We have given that place here on second place. It means Shivram sir is on second place in given sentence. We have converted him on first place. Dave sir was on first place. We have kept him on second place here. And then afterwards, in his subject remains as it is without any change. But the sentence structure we have made in this way. Another thing, the total target meaning of given sentence should not be changed. Think here, Dave sir does not give more marks in his subject than Shivram sir. Suppose that Dave sir gives 5 marks. Then Shivram sir gives 5 only. It means what Shivram sir gives 5 marks, as many marks Dave sir gives. And yet we have changed the sense in this way. In this way, we have converted negative to affirmative sentence here in this example. Once again, what we have done here, given sentence is with more than. It means given sentence, if you will think, then given sentence is of comparative degree, because given is with more and then. More than is the identity of CD. Now think for the next sentence where we have used as blank as. This is the identity of PD. We have converted CD into PD, and yet we have converted negative to affirmative. This thing is much more important for you when you will move ahead with transformation of sentence, especially in affirmative into negative, negative into affirmative. Got the idea? One more example I'll give you. Radha was as fast as Meera in the driving competition. Think it. Given is positive sense. Apart from that, as blank as. This is the identity of PD. Given is with the positive sense. Given is positive degree. Now we will convert it into negative sense, but on the contrary, PD will be converted into CD, comparative degree. How it can be? Meera will be on the place of Radha, Radha will be on the place of Meera. What we have done, the same thing. Apart from that, what is the identity of PD? That will be removed. And next to that, what we have used here, that is faster than. It means Meera was not faster than Radha in the driving competition. Hence, given sentence, the total target meaning of given sentence should not be changed. And the same thing we have done here. Radha was as fast. Suppose that Radha was moving ahead with 60 km per hour. Meera was with the same speed, 60 km per hour. Hence, Meera was not faster than Radha. It means both were moving ahead with the equal speed in driving competition. This is the total target meaning of given sentence, what we have not changed here. And yet, what we have done? Yet, we have converted positive degree to comparative degree or comparative degree to positive degree. Anything can be asked to you, especially in 10th standard as well as in 12th standard. And the title would be do as directed. What is told to you, that only you will perform, but there you will utilize your intellect. Simply you will not make it negative. Simply you will not make it affirmative. While making negative or affirmative, you have to use your own logic. दिखावे पे मत जा, अपनी अक्ल लगा. दिखावा is what? It is told to you, make it negative. दिखावा is what? It is told to you, make it affirmative. दिखावे पे मत जा, अपनी अक्ल लगा. There you have to utilize. What you will utilize? Your intellect. Here you have to convert degree in this. Is changing of sense is not important. Changing of place is also important, especially in degree. So that this is much more important for you. This is another important variety in your first topic, and that is transformation of sentence, and where you will think for positive and comparative degree when you will be with affirmative to negative sentence transformation. Okay, got the idea? If you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me anytime. Okay, till that, bye to you all. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.